You ever think to yourself, man, I wish there was a simple app where I could just pull out my phone, push one button, and alert everybody in my area that I'm being pulled over, being harassed by cops, or maybe I'm just out there auditing and I need an extra set of eyes on the situation because things are getting dangerous. Well, wait no longer. That app is here. And the best part about it is that it's easy to use and it's absolutely free. Stick around and I'll tell you how to get it.
Here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
So here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
So here's the deal.
But here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
Well, here's the deal.
But here's the deal.
So here's the deal.
And here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
Because here's the deal.
Here's the deal. Either give me your ID or you go to jail. How about that?
Catch me outside. How about that?
How about that?
How about that?
Here's the deal.
Welcome back to the Here's the Deal channel. Okay guys, I want to introduce you to the long-awaited Minutemen app and the Send Help app. Now, it was necessary to make this into a two-app project for two reasons. Number one, the Send Help app is a dedicated emergency application that's going to send out an alert to everybody in your city's group, informing them that you're in a specific kind of trouble and that you need assistance immediately. So you're basically going to open the app, select your group, and send your alert. Number two, the Minutemen app connects you to your local group of like-minded freedom fighters where you're going to connect, set up events, and get to know the people in your area who care about liberty. Now, the apps are absolutely 100% free, and all the links you need to get started will be in the description of this video and in the pinned comment. And I want to thank Ben and his team for the untold hours they spent getting this app right. Actually, both apps right. You know, they say united we stand, divided we fall. The reason we've been conquered so easily is because we've been so dang divided. These two apps are two powerful tools that we can use to turn that around and establish a rock-solid unity based on the principles of liberty. I'm going to show you some very easy steps to get this app on your phone and on your desktop. Like I said, the system consists of two applications. The first application is for forming teams and to discuss how to handle regional and local matters. The goal of this application is to empower and encourage people to team up with others in their communities. Without forming teams first, the Send Help app will be worthless because you won't be connected with anybody in your area who's going to want to come and help you out. So consider this first application as a funnel to the Send Help application. Here's a step-by-step on how to use this first app. Number one, go to www.anarchem.com. The application should recognize your location and show you any existing teams and events within 100 kilometers, which is about 62 miles. If the application doesn't show your location, just type in your city to find teams and events in your area. If there are no teams or events in your area, or if there are teams and events but they're just too far away, then feel free to create the first team in your area. And keep in mind, you're going to need to create a team before you can create an event. If there's already a team within your area, join that team and attend their events if there's an event to attend. Otherwise, join the team and create an event. Number three, the events are designed for you to meet face-to-face with other members in your communities. It's a way to bond and build trust. It's a way to discuss how you want to deal with regional and local issues among your team. It's a way to get together to train with various objectives in mind, like say you're a gun group or whatever. And it's the only way to join the Send Help group, which corresponds with the Send Help app, and discuss how to handle quick reaction response efforts. So the second application is the Send Help or the Quick Reaction Response Force application. This app can be found at sendhelp.anarchem.com. Again, guys, all these links are in the description and in the pinned comment. Now, before being able to use this application, a member has to have a GroupMe account, which is also free. You have to have the application installed on your respective device, and you have to have been invited to join an existing group. Now stay with me because I'm going to show you how to easily create a GroupMe account as well. Number two, this application requires the following. You got to meet with the team at an event, and you join an existing group of an already existing team. If the team doesn't exist, the first individual to start a team on the anarchm.com site should create the group in their GroupMe account. And I'll show you how to do that in a minute too. A member will need to go to www.groupme.com and create an account, install the GroupMe application on the respective device, and that member will receive a group join link after attending a team event in their area. And they're going to get this from other team members who are already in the group. The individual who started the team should easily be able to provide the group join link. At the event, you're going to discuss with the team how everyone expects members of the Quick Reaction Response Force for the Send Help app to handle situations involving an SOS message to the group. This is how you're going to start a GroupMe group. The first person to start a team in their area at anarchm.com should create the first GroupMe group. Number 2, you should already have a GroupMe account, but if you don't, go to groupme.com. Click on the sign-in link. At the sign-in box, there should be a link to create an account. At account creation, you're going to need to create a group. This is done by starting a new chat and then selecting the Start a Group option. And if you want more information on this, I've got a link below on how do I start a group in GroupMe. And guys, I know this might seem daunting at first. It was for me too. But it's really very simple. It's just new to you. Once you have GroupMe installed and all your settings established, this is basically a set it and forget it program. After the group has been formed, you're going to go to the settings for the newly formed group. Here, you're going to make sure the group is private and turn on the Enable Group Sharing option. Now you'll have a link to give to the other members to join your team's official group. Now make sure you go to your account settings, which is this little gear icon down here, and make sure to turn on Receive Messages via SMS. After getting a group join link from another team member at an event, you can use that link to join the official team group with your GroupMe account. Again, you got to make sure you go to your account settings, which is this little gear, and make sure you turn on the Receive Messages via SMS. After starting a group or joining a group, you can log into and use the Quick Reaction Response Force app, which is the Send Help app. And you're going to find that at sendhelp.anarchm.com. Now, the reason it's important to install the GroupMe app on your device is because it's going to assist in giving the geolocation and the directions when you tap the Help button on the Send Help app. Everybody who gets that notification will know exactly where they need to go. And number 2, the GroupMe application has the ability to start a Skype video call that will text a link to everybody so they can see the circumstances of anybody requesting assistance. You're just going to click the option to create a Skype link and share it with the group. And the group will receive the link via SMS text or in their GroupMe app that they can click on and immediately start receiving video. Now, it's important to have an understanding with your team and the Quick Reaction Response Force group prior to using the application of what's expected of the team when an SOS is initiated. You definitely don't want to abuse the Send Help application. You want your team to respond when you need help and not mute your messages because you're the boy who cried wolf. Abusing the application will definitely defeat its purpose. Don't forget, guys, these applications were designed to assist you to meet others who are like-minded in liberty. First and foremost, building relationships are the most important part of this movement. If you have any questions about this, please leave them in the comment section below. Every link that you need to get started on this will be in the description and in the pinned comment. Please share this video with everybody you know. These applications could literally be a game changer in our respective communities as we form solid, cohesive, and long-lasting bonds among fellow liberty lovers who are sick and tired of tyranny. United we stand, divided we fall.
Deaf and dumb thespians take the silent stages. With their cobweb throats, they can't sing any notes, so the audience begins dispersing. The actors get pissed, they start cursing. They're tired of rehearsing. They're ready to do the damn show. They're ready to go. You know what I mean? Fuck the quarantine. Fuck COVID-19. Fuck a fucking vaccine. Social engineering at the center stage. About to go full circle when we turn the page.